Hello guys and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So yeah, this is just a little update video on a little, let's say, disclaimer that's regarding my channel and some of my videos. And I mean my VirtualBox tutorials and things like that. Well, let's just say videos where I indicate links to download a certain file. So so perhaps you may have seen my pinned comment in my last video on installing Windows 2000 in VirtualBox. So yeah, I said that I had to let you download the ISO image for Windows 2000 from just my Google Drive instead of AdFly, which I usually do for those files, because, well, per because it seems that YouTube has updated their community guidelines where they not remove, hide links certain certain links to certain websites, and that kind of striked me a little bit because I always use AdFly for download links for my ISO images, my product keys in my virtual machine tutorials. And yeah, I usually do that because it's a good way to make money off of AdFly and other URL shortening websites. And and yeah, but luckily I did not get a strike on my YouTube account. The link got hidden and I had to replace it with the normal link to the Google Drive download for both the ISO image and the product key for Windows 2000 Pro. And and which makes me wonder if I should continue using AdFly for download links, or if I should just do regular download links from my Google Drive and not from AdFly. Because yeah, I have been using AdFly for a while now, and it's and it I haven't been having a lot of problems with it until YouTube has did something to their community guidelines. And I also got an email from YouTube um talking about this, where they say that they hid my link and they did not give me a strike on my YouTube account. But if I continue, but they said that if I continue providing download links to AdFly, then I will get a strike on my account and it will put my channel at risk of getting suspended or terminated. So yeah, I'm just trying to decide if I should continue doing that or not. Or yeah. Well, I might just get rid of AdFly entirely and just use Google Drive. So yeah. But I'll think about it. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say for now, and sorry for any inconvenience on that. So yeah, as usual, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you in the next video.